Do you feel the vibes?
The all-new Dacia Duster features a new front design for a more assertive personality and robust stance. The grille extends to the headlights positioned at the car's extreme front corners, making the car look wider. The model boasts a new lighting signature, including LED daytime running lights divided into 3 sections. The more horizontal bonnet with sculpted crease lines gives the all-new Duster a very rugged appearance. The side view highlights the car's SUV look. The all-new Duster's higher beltline adds to the impression of robustness and protection. The windscreen has been brought forward 100 mm and is more steeply raked, which makes the cabin appear more spacious. The new aluminum roof bars, a frequent SUV hallmark, extend the line of the windscreen for a more dynamic profile. The new 17-inch wheels give the car an even more assertive personality. At the rear, broader haunches provide the vehicle with a modified stance. The all-new Duster now features Dacia's lighting signature, 4 red squares, and the rear lights are located at the extreme corners of the car. The wider front and rear skid plates draw attention to the model's adventurer credentials. A completely redesigned cabin, high quality and comfortable. As you step into the all-new Dacia Duster, the focus is on the totally revised driving position, which now offers added comfort and driver-friendliness for everyday motoring.